A missing father, a cheated mother, and a smug wife walk into Judge Vonda's courtroom. One careless brag about his $104,000 salary flips the entire case, turning arrogance into the very evidence that seals his fate.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Mrs. or Miss Johnson?
Soon to be Miss.
Sir, I was talking to her. Soon to be Miss?
Yes.
Mrs. Johnson?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I did. The child is now 18. I would like to be relieved of the child support payments. I've fulfilled my obligations in the amicable split that we had. So since the child is 18, I would like to be relieved of child support payments.
She came in confident, like she really thought turning 18 was her golden ticket out of responsibility. Lady, this isn't a phone bill you can cancel. This is your child we're talking about.
Sir, how do you feel about that?
Ma'am, I don't know what kind of Afrocentrickery she's trying to run up in here, but it costs money to raise a child. I understand he's 18, but he's handicapped.
So now we're getting to the meat of it, because that's not what she just presented to me.
Well, she's
just
acting
presented
special
it
right now because she don't want to.
Well, sir, let's not do name calling. That's not nice.
I didn't call her no names, ma'am. I'm just saying she's acting special. All I know is this: it costs money to take care of this child. I don't have it.
When you say he's special, what type of disability does he
He has a
have?
mental disability, man.
Okay. What type of medical bills does he have?
Currently, my bills are running about $1,800 a month. I have a garage. Obviously, by my dress and appearance today, I'm a simple man.
3 years. No child support. A mother walks into court seeking justice. But instead of the father, his wife appears, smug and ready to defend him. Judge Vonda instantly knows. This hearing won't be ordinary.
I can only fix so many cars a day and have to put on helmets and change stuff.
Okay, what type of medical expenses does the child have on a monthly basis?
He has rehabilitation.
Okay.
He also has some vocational training skills to help him. We're trying to get him out there on his own a little bit.
Okay.
And he also has a speech therapist that comes in.
And other than that, is he does he have any other disabilities or anything?
Not really, other than, her not being.
The mother explains her struggle, raising a 6-year-old alone. Every call unanswered, every promise broken. Yet here stands the wife, talking as if she carries the burden. The judge's expression already tells the story.
The only disability that's really got it messed up.
How much is rehab a month?
Rehab a month is $400, ma'am.
400. Okay. Does he go to a special type of school?
No, actually, the state sends someone to him at the residence because it's actually become more of a hindrance to get him somewhere than it is to actually take care of him at the home.
Okay. And you want to be removed from child support, and you hear about all of the care that it takes to take care of your adult child who's disabled? Well, make this good.
I'm going to make this good due to the fact that I have been around. I do contribute. I am there. My job takes me all over the world. Not only I'm an educator, but I also have another son as well, too, who is 16. I'm in both of their lives. So therefore, I need a little reprieve because there are certain things that I need to do with,
When asked where the father is, the wife boasts. He's not here because he's in Italy, building the Bridge of Gibraltar. The courtroom stiffens. Work over responsibility? Judge Vonda doesn't look impressed one bit.
I want to
Ma'am, when I speak, you stop talking, okay?
Sure.
You're doing a whole lot of talking, and you're not saying anything, okay? Your child has needs that this man pays for. Rehab alone is $400 a month. Is this an expense that a doctor has told you that's going to be ongoing in the future?
Yes, ma'am. It's still.
Then the money comes out. The wife proudly mentions he's making nearly $80,000. The judge presses further. Actual income, $104,000. That single slip just sealed his fate, and the wife doesn't even realize it.
She's just worried about her needs.
What about the
people in hell need ice water?
What about the caretaker coming out to the home? Is that going to be something that's ongoing as well?
No, ma'am. That's going to end here actually in about 2
years.
Yes,
2
ma'am.
years?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you are asking me to stop paying child support today? You know what, ma'am? According to the paperwork that you provided, your child support is based on your annual income of $30,000 a year, right?
That is correct.
How much are you making now?
Probably.
Jealousy rises. The mother blurts, "He cheated with her." The judge cuts her down quickly. "This isn't therapy, this is court." Focus returns. The truth here is about support, not bitterness or broken trust.
Down.
You know what? Let me ask him, because I don't think some of the information you're giving me is very truthful. Sir, how much money does she make a year that you know of?
When we first did the situation, she was making $30,000 a year. Now,
Okay.
by the way we dressed today, obviously one of us didn't come up. So I think somebody might need to talk to somebody or count some beans or something, because I know somebody garage by myself for 35 years.
But the child lives with you, correct?
Right. And I
Ma'am?
keep my other garage.
Ma'am, how much money do you make a year, truthfully?
Truthfully, about 42,000.
Judge Vonda draws a line. She tells the wife directly, "This case isn't about you. It's his responsibility." The wife's smirk softens, realizing her words are helping the mother's case more than hurting it.
No, ma'am. You made more money. And you tried to, first of all, I feel offended that you came into my courtroom and tried to downplay what the situation was. What appears as though this child turned 18 and your child support should naturally terminate. That's not what's going on. Your child has special needs that this man has been paying for. And you have gotten a $12,000 raise, in a sense, of salary.
Period of time.
And excuse me?
See, that's the reason
The calculations begin. On $104,000 income, child support and reimbursement total $1,112. The wife's jaw tightens. By showing up, she has just guaranteed payments. Her casual bragging turned into the mother's greatest weapon.
More money. You make more money, and you just heard this man testify that a medical doctor told him that it's going to stop, the care coming to his home is going to end in 2 years.
2 years.
2 years, right? That is a long time.
Allow me a 2-year reprieve so I can do. I don't have a problem continuing
the only
taking care of my
reprieve.
child.
The only reprieve you're going to receive here today is to start your child support obligation on a monthly.
Desperate, the wife interrupts. She insists he's already paying, sending money when asked. Judge Vonda's sharp response slices through. Anything given directly is a gift. Court orders matter. Silence fills the room immediately.
Is it continued?
Ma'am.
Because I've been doing.
Oh yeah, it's going to go up.
Apparently, denial isn't just in Africa; it's here today.
Look, listen, sir. Listen. Your little innuendos, those are cute, but let's leave them somewhere else. They're not going to take place in here. Okay? They're not going to take place here. And ma'am, your outburst, please. I'm not impressed.
I'm not impressed either.
No, you shouldn't be. You should not be impressed. You came into this courtroom and tried to misrepresent, and you just simply don't want to take care of your child.
The wife tries again, claiming he supports her family as well. But Judge Vonda doesn't flinch. His son is also his family. The words echo like a gavel strike. There's no escaping accountability now.
Ma'am, so you said you make $42,000 a year. According to my calculation, that's about $3,500 for gross a month. That puts your net resources at $2,948.13. Who carries the health insurance on the child?
That would be me, ma'am.
Both.
Well, the adult child, excuse me. You carry health insurance, and what were you getting ready to say, ma'am?
Both of us.
So the child is, and I heard you say that you had a 16-year-old.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to base your child support. You get credit for the child that you already have. So your child support is going to be set at $471.08 per month.
Say that again.
$471.70 per month. Understood?
That's clear.
Okay. Is there anything further?
Well, I was hoping, ma'am, if I could get a little boost in that, because the youngest son, he currently is being tested as well with some problems that he may be having.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
this is not the platform for you to be asking for an increase. And you just heard what this woman makes, and you heard me do the calculation based on.
The final blow lands calmly. Judge Vonda tells her, learn how to blend a family before making excuses. The truth pierces deeper than any order. Today, arrogance lost, and responsibility finally won.
No, sir. That's not how these things are done.
I mean,
you cannot get an increase from what she's making. What she makes is what she makes. Child support is based on a calculation. Do something later and file something in court once it's been diagnosed what your other child may have, then you can do that. But until then, is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You all may